Lee, how important is the Red Sea and Suez Canal for global shipping?
It's extremely important. It makes up a big percentage of trade. For instance, freight that's on a container ship that starts from Asia that goes to Europe, about 30% of that trade goes through the Suez Canal. Because the reality is, it's very interesting that, which navies are involved in this exercise to try to defend world trade. The one country that is probably impacted the most appears to be doing the least, and that's China. Where we're talking about what the major trade lane is. It's Chinese exports going into Europe. You would think they would want to take some actions and try to defend their economy, which is sputtering, and cooling, which is not good.
And dovetailing off of that thought, Kenneth Lowe, and Lee Klaskow, please jump in. The impact on inflation and the threat of inflation, especially at this critical juncture with the Fed.
For inflation, it really depends on what's in the container. If you're shipping, call it 10,000 T-shirts in a container, an extra $800 isn't a lot from an inflationary standpoint. But if you have two automobiles in a container, the impact on the cost is a lot bigger.
As Lee pointed out, even after the spike in spot rates, that's still quite a marginal increase for most consumer goods. Unless of course you are shipping a Ferrari from Europe to Asia, that would of course be a slightly bigger issue.